Sorry, it might be a bit too noisy, and I don't know if you guys can hear me. There's a generator on somewhere. How you guys doing? So today is a beautiful Tuesday evening. I had kind of an eventful day, but anyway, I'm just checking on you guys. Hope you guys are very fine. Hope you guys are doing okay. And I hope you guys are having an amazing week. All right. I'm just enjoying the weather right now.
The following day.
Hi guys, good morning. I just finished my workout and I have a very what's the right term to use, poor metabolic system. I don't know if that makes sense. I can stay 2 weeks, I won't go to toilet, so I'm having that again, and I just realized that it's because I've not gotten my body going in a while. So I decided to do some exercises this morning, and fingers crossed it's going to help. How you guys doing? How's today going? I'll see you guys.
Yeah, I don't want any noise there. Hi guys, how you guys doing this afternoon? I'll be making egusi soup, so come along with me and let's do it together. So here we have our meat, or chicken rather, and it's already spiced. And once it has boiled and I have a little bit of stock, then I will start the soup. Okay, so here we have. Please, you go downstairs and get a bitter leaf. I wanted to buy, but the one she brought to sell was so small. So this is I'll add a little bit of ugu with bitter leaf. This is dawa. See what these people are selling now. Like Nigeria, I don't know the way forward. Before, the 4 of this one, in short, we even add more, is 50 naira. Now, they have divided 50 naira only into 4 pieces, then increase the price. Like, I don't understand what is going on. Then this is I'm on the phone. This is what is it called? Egusi. This is 2 model. So 1 model was 3,500, and I bought 2 model. She sold for me for 3,000. So I bought the blended one because she had a lot of customers and I couldn't wait. So that's basically our ingredients that we need. So this is the meat that we plan on using. I'm using chicken. That's the meat water. This is pomo kanda, cow leg, cow hide, whatever you call it. Onions, bitter leaf. Wanted to Mama. Okay guys, so our pot is dry. And we're starting with, leave there. We're starting with our red oil. Is that what I'm supposed to start with? Cook, no, remember what I'm supposed to do. No noise, guys, no noise. So, add our onions. Next, we're adding our iru or our dawa. Yes, turn it very well. No noise, guys. Next, we have our spices. So, this is onga soup. This is pepper. I might add more pepper later, I don't know. This is salt. This is my onga stew. I just want to, I normally add a little bit for redness of the egusi. and these are seasoning cubes. So I like putting them in the oil for extra flavor. I feel the flavor is extracted from the heat. So I'm just turning this in. If I avoid the So now we've added the egusi and we're just stirring. So we want to fry it for a while, so that the thing kind of fries a bit, and it actually changes the taste when you fry your egusi first before you cook it. So next is our mixed water for adding. So next we're adding some water, and we'll just allow it to cook. I'm adding a little bit more of the pepper because I've tasted it and it's not really to taste. I don't want it too hot so the kids will be able to eat it. Yes, add the water. I'm adding a little bit more water because by the time it cooks up now, it's okay. Give me the cover. No, the chicken is already soft. Cover it. It's already soft, so there's no more. So we'll just cover it and then allow it to boil. I'm going to be putting in my pomo to allow it to cook, though it has been parboiled, but just to allow it, get softer. So you guys can see now our soup is getting ready. Once it starts coming together like this, it's getting ready. Just show it first. This is our bitter leaf and we're about to turn. So we're just using a little bit of bitter leaf, and then we're using ugu as well. Next, we want to add our protein, and I told you guys earlier we're using chicken. So pardon me using my fingers, they've been washed.